Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Francesca. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing and make sure you turn the notification bell on. I do put videos out on Mondays and Thursdays every week regarding life, lux, and anything girly. So guys, if you follow my Instagram, you know that I've been to the Louis Vuitton boutique recently. And if you've seen my recent tag video, that I also said that I'm going to be doing an unboxing soon. So today is a beautiful day. It's actually sunny out. So I was like, let's film so I can get the true beauty of this cute little item. Hi guys. So today we're doing a vlog at the mall. I am picking up something special from LV and I wanted to take you with me. So I pre-ordered this 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so I called my SA and I've been looking at this particular item. Ta-da! So yes, it is a handbag. I've been looking for this item probably for the last 2 months, but I've just been stalking the website. I was not, I didn't contact my SA at first because I wanted the option to return the bag through the website just in case if I didn't like it, because I've never actually seen it in person. So I started looking at this bag last year and I finally was like, you know, I've been thinking about it for a whole year. It's time. So there she is. I wanted to unbox her today too because I think the box is too small for the bag. Like it's stretching it out. So let's get her out of there and free her. You guys know that they've been running out of boxes and ribbons, and I've been hearing some weird stories where you go home with your bag with a big paper bag and they say pick up a box later. Luckily they had boxes for me, but I still think it's not big enough. So let's open her up. All right, there she is. Let's grab her. All right, so do you guys have an idea of what I got? What do you think? What do you think? Let's see. Ooh. Ooh. There she is. So I got the Louis Vuitton Alma BB in empreinte in the cream color. So I don't know if you guys remember my tag video that I did for Miss Liz Hurling. She actually had us pick 4 bags for the whole year, 1 for each season. And I picked this bag for winter. 1, because it's leather, so I won't worry about it if it's snowing outside. And 2, it just gives me like winter feels. But looking at her now, she gives me summer feels too and spring feels. So score. So there she is. That's natural light, guys. Beautiful. So it does have a little tab on the side there. Right there. This one has a hole. And that's the front. So it does come with a strap. Let me see if I can. Lower you just a tad. Whoop. All right. So it does come with a strap. Let's open her up. So the strap are your regular lobster clasp. Excuse my nails. Have the LB on them. There we go. And the strap itself has Louis Vuitton Paris right there. So for the bag itself, it has microfiber lining. It's kind of like mustard brown. This particular bag was made in France. There is my lock. I asked her to keep the lock out because I essentially wanted to put it on myself. The keys are already on there. Here is a little dust bag for my lock. The care booklet. Oops. So this one is the monogram empreinte care booklet. The code and the textile card. So let me tilt you guys up. Ooh. All right, so there she is. What do you guys think? I've only seen this bag. I've seen another YouTuber recently. Sorry, guys. I've seen another YouTuber review this bag recently, and just kind of made me want the bag even more. But I had already actually ordered my bag when I watched her review, which was great. Just gives me more of like an excited feeling to get my bag. In addition to the other features of the bag that I've already mentioned, like I said, the key belt itself has Louis Vuitton Paris. The bag in the front has Louis Vuitton Paris. I'm kind of nervous about that to see how long the color will last. I would hate for it to fade or chip, so we'll see. I'll give you guys a review in a couple months. It does have the beautiful, it's like bright shiny gold grommets. And then the inside, it has the Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. And the date code for this guy is all the way back there. So let's see what it is. If I can stretch it enough to see. It's made in France on, oh my goodness, I can't see that. Made in France on the 36th week of 2020. Really? Wow, so she was just made a couple weeks ago. So that is her. And yeah. So guys, the sun just went down. So if there's a big change in lighting, I apologize. I was really, really hoping that I could finish this before sunset, but it's not looking great. Anyway, you get the clochette or the key bell. I have the keys in there. It does come with 4 feet, which is great because this bag is white. I would hate for it to get dirt or color transfer. The corners are pointy, so I'm really I really want to watch this bag for corner wear and stuff like that, just because this will be probably very easy to scuff. I didn't get it hot stamped or anything like that, just because that is a very, very permanent thing to do for this bag. I may in the future, I'm just not sure yet. Do I love her? Yes, I do love, well, I love the Alma BB anyway. And I don't know if you guys have seen my collection. I now have an Alma BB in canvas, the DE, and the Alma BB in epi leather, that's the yellow. And then I have this one. So if you guys are interested in seeing the difference and what fits on all 3, let me know in the comment section down below. But yeah, she is very, very beautiful. The one thing I can say though that I notice is a big difference out of all the 3 is the pocket. The pocket on this one is huge, and it kind of gives you a lot more space. Maybe it's the microfiber lining versus the linings inside those other bags. You can actually see the feet, where the feet connect in the bottom. You can see it in there. Oh guys, it smells so good. Do you sniff your bags? Because I'm a weirdo, I sniff my bags. So yeah, one tidbit though, when I was telling my essay that I wanted this bag and that I was ready, she told me that there was only 7 left in the US. That was 5 weeks ago. And then I was like, okay, I'll think about it. So it took me a week to think about it because again, white bag. And I've been thinking about this for a year. So I asked for another week. And when I told her, okay, I'm ready, she said, thank goodness we only have 4 in the whole continental United States. And I was like, why? Aren't they going to make this anymore? And she said they're going to discontinue this color. So beautiful, beautiful color. Tell me guys if you've heard that from your essays, if they're going to discontinue maybe just the Alma empreinte in cream, or is it like anything empreinte that they have in this color, which is weird because I thought I saw a bum bag in this color recently, but I'm not the expert. So it does come with 2 zippers and they're very soft. I don't need to do my wax paper trick on them. I do not think that I will keep the lock on here just because I don't want it to jingle around and chip the hardware. But the one con which I have for all the Almas is that the strap is not, you can't really cheat on this strap. It's literally one size. So for me, it falls right where it needs to be, I guess. But if you are much shorter than me, I am 5'3", 5'4" in a good day. It might be long on you. So one trick that my essay told me, which I'll show you guys today during my mod shots, she actually told me, which is weird, because there are these little guys right here to hook your straps. She told me to hook it on the side right here because it makes the handles actually sit up more when you're wearing the bag, which I was like, okay. I tried it on at the store. It did. Okay, it did. So I've now seen this bag 3 times, once at the store, once with my friend Jazz. She had to peek at my my bag while we were having lunch, and today because I needed to get her out of that box. So if you guys have any questions or comments on this bag, please leave me a comment down below. I will be doing some mod shots for you so that you know how this will fall on you. I am 5'3" and 115, 117 pounds on a good day. If you like content like this, please make sure you like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is ILoveLux, ILVELUX. Also, I do have my tag video going, so if you guys are interested in doing my tag video, please do so. It is about the 3 worst luxury purchases you've done and why, because I would really want to know what stuff, bags, anything to stay away from. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate all of you and have a blessed day.